Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Olive Garden berry sangria. This delightful drink is a perfect blend of sweet and fruity, ideal for any occasion. We will go through the essential ingredients and simple steps to recreate this popular restaurant favorite right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your friends and family with a homemade sangria that tastes just like the original, offering a refreshing experience with every sip. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one standard 750 milliliter bottle of your favorite red wine, such as a Merlot. Next, grab 2 cups of vibrant cran-raspberry juice, which provides that signature fruity flavor. Don't forget 1/4 cup of simple syrup to balance the sweetness. Finally, have plenty of fresh berries on hand, like sliced strawberries, plump blueberries, and juicy blackberries, for both mixing and garnishing your beautiful sangria. Now, let's move on to the simple mixing process. First, pour the entire 750 milliliter bottle of red wine into a large pitcher. Add the 2 cups of cran-raspberry juice and the 1/4 cup of simple syrup. Stir all these liquids together very well to ensure they are fully combined. Once mixed, place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This crucial chilling time allows all the delicious flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious drink. Finally, it's time to serve your perfectly chilled berry sangria. Before pouring, fill each glass with ice to keep your drink refreshingly cold. Then, add a generous handful of fresh berries, such as sliced strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries, directly into the glass. Pour the sangria over the ice and fruit. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a whole strawberry or a fresh mint sprig. Serve immediately, and savor the delightful taste of your homemade Olive Garden berry sangria.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.